there's the old one. You can see the casing's broken right off. It's still stuck in there. I gotta take that out. Okay, and then there's the new one there. Hi there, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2008 Chevy Cobalt. We're going to be doing the wheel bearing on the driver front. Let's get it started. See over here, the first bolts I'm going to be taking off. It's going to be the caliper bracket bolts. There you got the one bolt here, and you got the other bolt right there. Alright, so you got to take that out first. So what I like to do is hang the caliper. I normally do it with a coat hanger. Today I don't have one, so try to do it this way. Just hang it off the strut so that it's out of the way. And also what it does is it protects the brake line. And you're not putting any pressure on it by leaving the caliper dangle by the brake line. So there we go. That's it. Swing it out of the way. You don't have to worry about snapping the line. Caliper. You got the center lug here. Okay. It's for the spline. Back here you'll have a bolt down here. And a bolt there. And then you'll have another one on top. So those are your 3 bolts at the back. Last but not least, the spline bolt. Don't forget to disconnect your sensor. That's it. Now she's ready to come out. Okay.